Hello guys, welcome back to CC Creation's YouTube channel. Today I'll be breaking down how to install and how to use the new ccICON pack purchased from ccreation.store for Final Cut Pro. So as we can see here, we have loads of templates you can use. Right, so when you bought the pack, you will receive an email where you can download the file. So let's open Finder, Downloads, and here we will just have the file we just downloaded from the email. Make sure to unzip it, double click for it, and it will appear a folder named ccICON. If we open the folder, there is a manual and the files for Final Cut Pro. So let's just drag and drop these to our movies, motion templates, and titles. Since I already have the file installed, this message won't appear to you, so I'll click just stop. Now we have to go to Final Cut Pro. If you have it open, I recommend you guys to close it and open again for refresh the title and generated section. Alright, so this is our project. Let's just click on the left side of the screen where it says titles and generators. If we scroll down a little bit, we see ccICON. If we click, it will appear all ccICON pack for Final Cut Pro. It contains more than 100 icons in total, so there's plenty for you to choose the one that fits better your content. Let's just pick one, guys, to show you how it works. So for example, if we select this one, we drag and drop to our timeline. On the right side of your screen, you will see some published parameters for adjust the title. So for example, the build in and build out, what it does is turn on or turn off the animation of the title in case you don't need it. If we scroll down a bit, we see Widget, which it has likes, follows, and comments. So you can choose your favorite ones. A global position and scale, it's for the main title. So if you slide to the right, it will go to the right, and if you slide to the left, it will move to the left. Same for the scale. If you slide, it will turn bigger, and if you slide again to the left, it will turn smaller. Below the global scale and position, we have the text. So you can change the text that appears in the title, and it also includes a position and scale only for the text. And for the last thing, we have the color section, so you can change them as you like. This icon pack includes something a bit different, which is the Snapchat title. So let's pick the number 1, drag and drop, and you can see if we go to the right side of our screen again, publish parameters, scroll down a bit, we'll see the drop zone section. This is very useful for you to change the blue section so you can insert any image you like. So let's just try one. Go to our library section. Make sure you have imported the image you would like to use. Select again your title, scroll down to drop zone. You can just click in this arrow, select the file you would like to import, apply clip, and that's it. So let's insert another one for this. Clip footage, apply clip, and that's it. So we would have our logo up here and a QR, for example, in the middle. You can also play with the settings of position and scale. So in this case, if you want to turn it smaller, just slide to the left. If you want to move the image, you can slide to left or right, depending on what direction you would like it to go. And for the rest of the settings, they are the same for each icon. You have the global, scale and position, the text settings, and some colors. Alright guys, so this is it. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helped you to understand how to install and how to use the new ccICON pack for Final Cut Pro. If you have any further questions, please do let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you soon in the next tutorial.